So what we have here is the new wireless launch system I've been working on. It's a 900 megahertz system. It's using two 900 megahertz 250 milliwatt xBee Pro radio modems, which have got a colossal range, far greater than you could ever hope to launch a high-powered rocket from. So we've got two high current pyro channels for firing igniters or electric matches, and we've also got two auxiliary channels which we can use for switching anything else at the pad we may want to be able to control remotely. So I'll go ahead and power it on. You'll see the screen lights up after a couple of seconds and it says safe. That's because we're currently switched to safe, which means we can go ahead and connect igniters and whatnot. The whole time this is set to safe, this control box is sending commands to the pad box, telling it to switch into safe mode and stay in safe mode. So if we go over to the pad box here, we can see we've got a power switch and a safe arm switch over here as well. We've got two Australian standard mains plugs for our pyro outputs over here, and we've got two connectors here for our auxiliary channels that have got both normally open and normally closed positions. So you could use those for filling a hybrid or switching on a camera or any other such thing you may want to be able to control the pad. So if we go over here and power this on, we'll see that the light comes on over here. That's because I have connected up an electric match for testing purposes, and that green light's telling us we've got continuity across that e-match. So if we come back over here to the launch controller, well, first off we need to arm it over here. So if we go ahead and flick this arm switch, this arms the pad box, and now we can fire this e-match from the launch controller. So if we come over here and we turn the key from safe to armed, we'll see that now is telling us that the system is armed, and these fire buttons are now blinking just to confirm that yes, they are armed. So if I go ahead and press fire 1, we've got the e-match connected to pyro 1 over here. It should fire, and there it goes. We can see straight away that we've no longer got continuity across that e-match because it's blown. So we go ahead, safe that, power it off. We'll put this back into safe. Those lights over here go out, and we're now telling us that it's safe on the control box.